What's up? It's me, looksbylottie, and welcome to today's video. If this is your first time here on my channel, then welcome. I'm so glad to have you here today. If you like videos about makeup, go ahead and subscribe down below. I post every Tuesday and Friday. If this is your second, third, fourth, or however many times you've been here, then hey, welcome back. I'm so glad to see you again. For today's makeup look, we are gonna do a little bit of a blast in the past. Remember when this palette came out about a year ago? The Little Ray of Sunshine palette? Well, I was very excited about it because sunflowers are one of my favorite flowers ever. I actually have a bouquet of them in my classroom. They're fake, but they just like bring me so much joy and they're just so pretty. So today, because you know, school is just around the corner and soon we'll be getting into fall, I wanted to do a sunflower inspired makeup tutorial today. So I do hope you will join me because I am very excited. What is your favorite flower? Go ahead and leave it in the comments down below. Now that my eyeshadow base is on, let's go ahead into the palette. First things first, I'm going to take this shade Sunnies and I'm going to set it all over the lid. One of my favorite brushes broke the other day, so I have to use this. So if I look a little weird patting it all on, I apologize. I'm going to take the other half of my broken brush and I'm going to buff out a little bit of that shade with the same shade. So just a little bit of blend. Next, I'm gonna blend even more with the shade Happy Place. And we're gonna start to bring this up onto nearly the brow bone. Not there yet though. Next, I'm gonna take the shade Suns Out on the same brush and we're just gonna keep on blending up. I lost a little more of the yellow shade than I wanted, so I just put some more on my brush and I'm just reapplying it. Nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy. Next, I'm gonna take the shade Sun Giant and I'm gonna do my best attempt at a wing. Okay, so my storage ran out while I was finishing up my eyes, so I'm sorry you didn't get to see me put on my lashes, but I do have a mini eyelash tutorial in my last video if you want to go ahead and check it out on the card right there. But we have a brown liner and we have this nice lash, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on my base. I won't give you guys too many details on this because you've seen it before. Alright, now that we got our base down, let's keep it rolling. For bronzer, I'm gonna go into the Benefit Hoola bronzer, of course. Going in as lightly as I can. Since our look is more of a warm tone look, we are gonna go into the Rouge Romance. I don't know how to say it any other way, guys, sorry. I'm thinking of mixing up Fancy Pants and Tea Room for like a nice little orangey blushy moment. We're gonna go with a light hand, but we're gonna start up here at the temple and we're gonna bring it onto the apple of the cheek. Not all the way across to the bridge of the nose, but just like almost there. And now we're actually going to brush it on the bridge of our nose. Now I'm just taking a clean brush and just blending it in so it's not like too bold out there, you know? We don't want to look like we're sunburned. Next, we're gonna add some fake freckles. I'm gonna use this Freckle pen from Lime Crime and then this one from Freck. Now that we have our freckles, we're gonna add sunflower freckles! We're gonna use this liner from Glisten Cosmetics. And you can use my friend's code Kitty10 for 10% off. Do it! I'm gonna add a few more freckles using this dark brown right here. And then when I'm finished with that, I'm going to add the petals with this yellow. These don't have to be like the cutest in the world. Honestly, I think it's a little endearing when it's like a little messy. Because you know, we all live messy lives, right? Alright, now that we have all of our freckles on, we're gonna pop back into our Little Ray Sunshine palette. We're gonna take this shade here, which I think is called Chillin', and we're gonna put it on our lower lash line. don't forget to add your lower lash line mascara. It'd be weird if you left it off. Next, we're going to go into whatever highlighter palette you want and use a yellowish highlighter. That will match this color scheme the best. This is personally a favorite of mine because look at that sparkle. Oh my Lanta. And don't forget to add some to the inner corner. We're really popping today. Woo. And even though I didn't technically do my brows, I'm gonna pop some on the brow bone as well. Lastly, it's going to be lips. I'm gonna be taking the Colourpop Lippy in Soft Side and then the Lip Glam XL Mulatto lipstick, which is in the shade 1992. And we're gonna pop this Donut Glaze Lip Gloss from Glam White on top. Try saying that 3 times fast, it's hard. And the very last step is to add some Bath & Body Works Golden Sunflower Spray. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I appreciate every single one of you. Now go ahead, leave a like and a comment, make sure you are subscribed, and press that bell so you know when I post my next video. Now I gotta go water some plants. Not really, I just wanted to say that because flowers. But I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!